Hindi mo na nga kailangan lumayo para masatisfy ang Japanese food cravings mo. Kaya naman, saan tayo today? Hey Wanderers, nandito tayo ngayon sa Boru Taste of Japan, located at 192 Bugaan, Poblacion 3, Alfonso, Cavite. Kung mahilig kayo sa authentic Japanese comfort food, this place is definitely worth adding to your food bucket list. Pagpasok pa lang mapapansin mo agad kung gaano kaaliwalas at kalinis ang buong restaurant. Ang interior nila inspired talaga sa Japan, kaya very relaxing ang vibe. May beautiful Japanese decor sa walls, may gorgeous cherry blossom tree pa sa gilid na perfect for photos, at ang ceiling nila ay may cloud-inspired decorations na nagbibigay ng calming atmosphere. Isa pa sa mga unique na makikita rito ay ang iba't ibang paintings na gawa mismo ng owner, na talaga nagbibigay ng artistic at personal touch sa buong place. Very spacious din ang resto, may iba't ibang seating options at meron ding high chair available para sa mga kasama nating little wanderers.
Welcome po to Boru Taste of Japan, where you can find authentic Japanese food, fresh ingredients, large variety of appetizers.
So we have gyoza here. We have tamagoyaki and different kinds of korokke. And then we have also okonomiyaki, which is a Japanese pancake. And then we also have tofu for vegetarians. We have vegetarian options. And then let's go to our main dish. So of course we have ramen. We have 4 different kinds of ramen. We have spicy, if you want creamy, if you want light broth, we have all of those. And then
we have rice dishes and rice bowls as well. So with pork or chicken or beef
we
or
also have
seafood.
seafood, yes.
And of
we
course,
we also offer bento boxes,
Yes,
which is
we have bento
complete
boxes.
meal. You have appetizer, salad, your rice, and then your ulam. It comes with miso soup and drinks as well. We also
different
offer
drinks.
desserts.
And
Yes.
dessert, we have
Yes.
homemade desserts, and also we have ice cream.
Yes.
And so that's all we have here. Please come to visit us in Boru Taste of Japan, Alfonso, Cavite. Masarap yung pagkain, really masarap
And affordable.
and affordable.
And this is it! Ito yung mga dish na natikman namin dito sa Boru Taste of Japan. Nahin natin ang kanilang gyoza, perfectly pan-fried with a crispy golden bottom habang juicy at flavorful ang feeling sa loob. Next is their tamagoyaki, soft, fluffy, at perfectly layered. Isa sa mga bago nilang offerings ay ang seafood korokke, crispy sa labas at may delicious seafood feeling na nagbibigay ng rich at satisfying flavor. Their classic korokke is also a must-try, golden and crunchy on the outside at smooth naman ang potato filling. Hindi rin pwedeng mawala ang kanilang okonomiyaki. Soft at savory ang Japanese pancake, generously topped with Japanese mayo, savory sauce, bonito flakes at seaweed. For sushi lovers, try nyo na yung kanilang futomaki, filled with fresh salmon, cucumber at tuna. Another new item on their menu is the avocado roll. Refreshing ang lasa, perfect ito kung gusto mo ng light pero satisfying na sushi roll. For rice meals, we try their butadon, tender slices of pork served over steaming Japanese rice, comfort food at its finest. Isa rin sa mga natikman namin ang tempura don. Hindi greasy ang butter at napakasarap ipare sa kanilang signature sauce. Kung mahilig kayo sa creamy ramen, you'll definitely love their tantan men. At para naman sa mga mahilig sa classic Japanese ramen, try their shoyu ramen. May light yet flavorful soy sauce based broth, panalo nga with their springy noodles and delicious toppings. Lahat ng dishes na natikman namin ay freshly prepared, flavorful at makikita mong pinaglaanan talaga ng quality at authenticity. Kaya kung gusto mong maranasan ng tunay na Japanese comfort food, Boru Taste of Japan is definitely worth a visit. At kung may birthdays, family gatherings, office celebrations, o barkada get-togethers kayo, meron din silang iba't ibang platters na perfect for sharing. Kung hindi man kayo makapunta, no worries. Boru Taste of Japan accepts dine-in, take-out, and delivery. Kaya pwede nyo pa rin ma-enjoy ang kanilang Japanese favorites kahit nasa bahay lang. Open sila daily from 12 noon hanggang 9 p.m. Kaya perfect for lunch, merienda, o dinner dates with family and friends. So kung naghahanap kayo ng authentic Japanese comfort food without traveling too far, Boru Taste of Japan should definitely be on your list. Alam nyo na!
See you here, Wanderers!